Coming in from the left, the Lockheed 12A Electra. So this aircraft powered by two 450 horsepower Pratt & Whitney radial engines, and he's probably one of the most experienced multi-engine pilots of aeroplanes of this vintage in this country. So those camera doors were secreted under the floorboards, and they had a couple of cameras in the leading edge of the wing. Now this aircraft was used in this surreptitious, lovely graceful aircraft, probably up to about 140 knots there as he passes by. He'll be looking out the side. Give him a wave. Lovely airplane, but it's actually got a little bit of a nasty handle. And this time you'll have, we're going past with Claire on the right hand side, so give Claire a wave. And goodbye, John.